You guys won't believe, but Higgsfield AI created another amazing tool that is Higgsfield Face Swap. I know you have questions like what is difference here with any other tools. It can be performed by any other like Gemini, but you have missed something important and that is quality. Let me show you an example. So here I have Gemini and I am going to upload these two images, that is Emma Watson face and another one is the a girl in red dress. Okay, now what I want is to change the face. Now you can see Gemini created this image and I don't think this is the face of Emma Watson. Now let's check the same example with the Higgsfield face swap. For that I have just moved to Higgsfield face swap and here you can see it can instant face swap in a single click. Let me just upload the images. So guys, here we have Emma Watson and now we have to upload that red dress girl. So here she is. Now I will just click here and you can see it's free. So guys, you can see it start creating. Let's wait a little bit. So guys, here you can see the images generated and look at this. The design looks amazing and the face is swapped completely. Now here is the differences. In the left side we swap the faces using Gemini and the right side we swap the faces using Higgsfield Face Swap, and the differences are clear. Now let me show you how you can do the same. For that, go to the video description and click on the link. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page where you can see there is many more things. Like if you want some image editing tool, you can go with image and here are many more things. Then video editing tools, then you can edit as well. Not only that, there is Sora, Google View 3 here, Higgsfield Popcorn, which I have already explained. You can go and check it out. So here the first thing you have to do is to go to sign up here and sign up with Google or Apple or Microsoft, or if you have mail you can use that as well. When you sign up, let me just do it with Google. Your page will be look like this. Okay, so now what you have to do is to come to this image section and here you can see we have face swap. Just click on it and now look at this, we have already edited this photo, so let's remove it. And now let's take another example. So here I have Elon Musk image and then I have Iron Man. Okay, now what I will do is to swap the face of Iron Man with the Elon Musk. Click on generate and here you can see guys, it is in the queue right now. In that time what I will do is to make this animate. For that just click here and then click on video. You will be redirected to here with the image. Now what you have to do is to write the prompt. The prompt will be, she will stand with flower, move her other hand in a hello position and then turn around. Then I will select the enhance on. Then I will select here model will be WAN 2.5 fast. The duration will be 10 seconds. Resolution will be 1080 pixels and then click on generate. Now you can see it starts generating here. So wait a little bit and it will be generated. So guys, here you can see the video is generated and let's see how it looks like. The video is crazy guys, look at the detailing and everything looks amazing. So you can do this thing as well. So now let's move back and check our Elon Musk is ready or not. So guys, look at this. The image is almost unnatural. Here you just check it out guys. Here in the left side you have the two images and here in the right side you can see the design. It completely changed the face of the Iron Man with the Elon Musk and that was crazy because I already show you the Gemini can't do that and it was unnatural. Okay, so let's create the video of this as well. So just click on video here. You will be redirected here with the image. So I will write the prompt here and then click on generate. Here you can see it start generating. So guys, the video is ready now and let's watch it. And that was amazing guys. Look at that effect. It was just like the Iron Man. Okay, so you have to just go and check this out guys. If you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and one more thing, in this face swap you just not only create the video, but you can also add the speak function here. Okay, so you can go and just explore this part. Okay, and let me know in the comment section how it look likes and how you feels, and just go and swap the images with other and make fun. So guys, I will provide all the links in the description. You have to just go to the video link and click on the links. You will be redirected to here. And also if you have any issues regarding anything, just let me know in the comment section. And our next video will be on portfolio, so make sure to watch and subscribe our channel. So guys, go and check it out. And here not only the image tools, but there are many more video editing tools as well. You can create image videos like so from Sora to Google Veo 3.1. Then we have Ven 2.5 and much more. Not only that, we have editing tools. Then we have face swap, Instadump. So if you are a video editor or a content creator, this will help you a lot. So guys, that's all for this video. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe our channel if you are new, and don't forget to support our channel. So guys, see you in the next video.